Hi everyone. My name is Ali. I'm in Group One, and I'm going to be demoing today the login project, the login seller customer portal screen I built out. This is my database. I have only a certain amount of time allotted to talk because my Bandicam has a license. But I wanted to start with the database. I'm using Postgres as the back end. We're standing up Postgres in our Docker container. I was able to create a container, pull down Postgres, spool it up, and I'm using DataGrip to display the tables and view tables and data. On initialization, the seller and the login are created. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm starting project application. So here's the login screen. There's two logins. We'll start with seller. So I log in as seller, login screen. There's three features about the seller screen. We add an item, we view products, and we sign out. We plan on adding reports because we have a table where every item can go to a certain shopping cart, and that shopping cart is owned by a customer. So that was the thing. So product name is test, price 12, price 12. We add item. Product test added successfully with ID 3. What that means is we go into our items table to view all items. ID 3 was created. I click add again, ID 4. And we refresh, ID 4 is created. We want to view products. So you can see all the products, match the data on the table, and we click OK, and then we sign out. It takes us back to the screen, but it's taking my first displays this first screen. So I'm logging in as the customer. And I have the customer screen. And the customer screen, there's about 5 features in the customer screen. We view cart, we add items to the shopping cart, we check out, and we can remove items, and we can sign out. So let's start with viewing cart. There's nothing in our cart. It's empty. Crazy. Now we're going to add items to our cart, the items that we have in our table. So we get all items, add 2 items, click OK. Click play. I forgot to remove the breakpoints. And move this back. Alright, it has 2 items. Let's view cart. Boom. Cart is there. Let's remove items. Oh, how about that? We have 1 item there. Click OK to remove. It goes back to 1. Let's view cart. 1 item. Awesome. Now let's check out. Your order has been processed. Total cost is 0. Great. Now let's go back into our data grid table. Our Postgres table, and let's view shopping sold items. And we have 1 item there with the customer ID and the item ID and the shopping cart ID. And let's test out the sign out. Beautiful. Sign out is great. It's in there. So as you can see, I was able to demo the seller workflow and the customer workflow and the login workflow. And I was able to validate the backend database tables were being updated, deleted, items were being created, and I was able to display our Postgres container. And I'm able to show you my repo that shows the command to pull down the build and spools up the Postgres database in Docker. And it has our directory file structure with a description of the layers of what files are doing what. And you see it's like we did the MVC architecture based on the requirements given by the professor. We followed the Git flow. We did pull requests, the team, group 1. And yeah, so basically we create a pull request, we review, we approve, we merge, typical workflow. And you can see some of the initial tables we thought we might needed, we ended up not needing because we were over designing the back end. So we took the initiative and optimized what we can, and we were able to find a better workflow. We realized that we overthought about things, and when you get into implementation, um, it's a little simpler. And it was great going through this with the team, and we enjoyed the project, and we were able to learn how to do spool up Postgres and do the login customer seller workflow using Java, and able to validate things in the database. And it was great. To be honest, this is like my fourth video because my microphone wasn't working for the first couple times, and I didn't realize it's the third time I got cut off on Bandicam. But if you need any, if there's any other questions you need from our team, feel free to reach out to me. I'll leave my mood, and yeah. And if you have any questions, or if anyone in the team needs help, we're here for you. Anyone in the other teams need help, let us know. We're here. Thanks.